Not bad, actually. I think I'll do another. Psych!
I had noticed that my mom was off.
They asked me to find out what was going on because I kept doing the same thing over and over again.
She became more isolated.
My word finding.
Missing deadlines.
I couldn't remember any of my multiplication tables.
He became erratic. He became illogical.
Started drinking more as well.
Well, he became a hoarder.
Refusing to bathe.
Years of doctor's appointments suggested everything from midlife crisis, schizophrenia, Alzheimer's.
Maybe it's hormones, maybe it's stress.
Second type of menopause.
Depressed, or his sugar's off.
Bipolar disease to midlife crisis.
Her symptoms gradually got worse and worse.
He was no longer able to work, connect with our daughter, play with our daughter.
He got in legal trouble.
He ended up losing his license to practice medicine.
He became violent.
You can't really take him to the doctor kicking and screaming.
It took about 8 years to finally find a diagnosis.
It took my dad demanding a brain scan.
It took me a really long time to understand that this wasn't his fault at all.
To face your own mortality at 41 years old.
The neurologist said, "You're gonna wish that it was Alzheimer's. It's so much worse than Alzheimer's."
FTD Hotshot Challenge.
FTD Hotshot Challenge.
FTD Hotshot Challenge.
FTD Hotshot Challenge. The FTD Hotshot Challenge.
I'm going to take some Frank's hot sauce.
Nothing but the best, of course, Louisiana hot sauce.
This is actually from Barbados.
Bit of this in there just to spice it up.
Give a shout out to Crystal.
Berman's.
Frank's Red Extra Hot.
Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce.
Oh, it's Chuck. You're not helping the situation. I know.
All right.
This is to Daddy.
Here we go.
Yum.
Nasty.
That's vile.
It's a nasty disease. It's a nasty hotshot challenge.
Don't forget to donate. Let's fight this disease.
Once you join us,